Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free money and dice rolls in Monopoly Go. No jailbreak. This works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got 900,000 cash and 14,000 dice rolls. The most dice rolls you can buy is 3,200, and that costs $99, guys. That's crazy, but not for me. So if you want to download this, what you need to do to get this like modded version is just go over to this website, gpt.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just come down here and type in Monopoly Go, and the AI is going to tell us which website is the best to go to. So it says the mod is on Zoo Mods. That's where I got it. I wasn't sure if they would have changed the site by now, but I guess not. We're going to type in Monopoly Go, and there's the Monopoly Go mod. Press on it and wait for it to start downloading. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. This is super cool and it fully works. So I am not going to download it since I already did, but for you guys, you can let it download. So let's go to the App Store and also look at the pricing on there because it might be a little different. Now, bear in mind, when you see that Monopoly Go is not installed on my phone, it's because I only have the mod installed, not the normal game. And here it is. Look how expensive it is. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get free money and dice rolls in Monopoly Go, be sure to try this out for yourself because it is super cool. As you can see, I got tons of money in dice rolls. It is so crazy. And guys, I think a lot of people don't even know about this trick, and that's why they're still buying dice rolls for $99. That's so bad, bro. Money is also expensive. I have 900K and 180K is $10, so I can only imagine how much 900K is. I don't even want to know. But yeah, so be sure to try this out for yourself. See you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. Fully works in iOS and Android. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. See you guys later, and peace out.